What a masterpiece. Not only did I have potato pakoras, I had some batter left over and I made some onion pakoras as well. Unfortunately, you know what, let me try one of these and I'll tell you. I've got this yogurt raita which I made. Check it out on my channel. Heaven. Hi everybody and welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm going to show you how to make crispy potato pakoras. Right, so I had some gram flour already and I've made some chicken pakoras, and I've made some onion, potato and spinach pakoras. So today my kids wanted potato pakoras. So I've cut them down to about 1/2 centimeter thickness, and I'm basically going to assemble a batter type mixture with a bit of spice and chili to it, and then I'm going to deep fry them, and then they'll turn out nice and crispy on the outside with a bit of softness for the potato on the inside. It's like a crispy fried chip, but on the thinner side. Okay, so very simple. I've got a number of ingredients here. I've got some dry roasted spices and some general spices, and you've probably got most of these in your pantry. Some salt, some baking powder, and I'm just going to give that a quick mix. And again, most of you probably know I use a lot of my hands in the kitchen. So, right, that's my mix. I'm just going to pop the oil in as well at the same time. And then I'll just, in a minute, use the rest of the coriander and the chili. So, with regards to chili, it's entirely down to you. If you feel you need the seeds, or you can take the heat and the tolerance of the seeds, and it all really does come down to the chili itself. Some chilies, even with the seeds, they're not that hot. So do try the chili. If you want to leave the seeds, it's entirely up to you. If not, then you can always remove the seeds. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a quick mix. And then I'm going to use, I've got some cold water here, around about 150 ml. So I'm going to just, in the middle, take around about half of it and start mixing it. We want the batter to be thick enough to basically coat the potato, but not too thick that it basically forms a thick layer. So it should just form a nice light coating on top of the potato. So when we fry it, it basically crisps up nicely on the outside, but then also with the frying cooks the potato on the inside. So when my mum used to make pakoras, she always used to use bicarbonate of soda or carbonated water. I never understood that until one day I actually asked her, so why'd you put one or the other? And she said it's to make sure that there's bubbles inside it. She explained it to me that the bicarbonate or the carbonated water, if you don't bind or don't mix it too much, will form bubbles inside. So when you fry it, it creates pockets of air, and when you actually fry them off and you leave them to drain, it becomes nice and crispy. And that's what creates the layer between the chicken or the potato or the onion, that when you fry it, it becomes nice and crispy, if you understand what I mean. Okay, so I'm just going to put around about 20 ml of carbonated water. And then I don't want to disturb too much of it because I don't want to lose the bubbles. Now, if you've ever gone to a chippy, which I'm sure you all have, if you see what he does behind the scenes, he's got batter exactly like this. So it's not too thick, and it's not too, I would say it was not watery, but it has consistency to it. So when I do put my potatoes in there, they should form a very light coating, not too thick. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go over to the frying area, and then I'll show you how to pop these into a fryer and then how long to cook them to get that crispy outer coating and the nice potato soft center. So I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Okay, welcome back. So my oil's nice and hot. It's around about low to medium heat. Now, for this one, you're actually going to have to use your hands. So we need to drop the potatoes with a light coating into the pan away from the heat, and away from the oil. Now, try not to burn yourself. And let them fry for about a good 6-7 minutes. Now, as we're cooking the pakoras, these potato pakoras, you'll see that the edges have started to brown. Good indication to actually turn them over. And if a couple of them are stuck together, that's fine, don't worry about it. Okay, I'm going to give them another 2 minutes, and then I'll see you back at the serving area. Welcome back, everybody, and what a masterpiece. Not only did I have potato pakoras, I had some batter left over, and I made some onion pakoras as well. Unfortunately, I couldn't show them to you, but the concept is the same. It's a very versatile mixture. The batter you can use even for jalapenos, you could use it for aubergines. Just, you know what, let me try one of these and I'll tell you. I've got this yogurt raita which I made. Check it out on my channel. Heaven. Catch you again. Tell me how it works out for you. Give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram or DM me later on. Bye for now.